This video will show you how to change the chain on a Sidewinder roller blind. This would be useful if the Sidewinder is faulty or the control chain is damaged and needs replacing. Raise the blind and remove the blind from the brackets. Pull the Sidewinder out from the barrel. On a 32mm barrel, the Sidewinder will look like this. To remove the chain, pinch the blue end together. The cover will then move backwards and expose the chain. You then can remove the chain and replace it. A 40mm barrel will have a slightly different Sidewinder. You will need to remove the black stopper with pliers first, and then the cover will move backwards. Once you have changed the control chain and Sidewinder, refit the blind and test the blind to ensure it is operating correctly.